How to change language on ActiveCampaign account. If you want to change the language setting on your ActiveCampaign account, then here's how you can do it. Open up a web browser and log into your ActiveCampaign.com account. Once you're logged into your account, from the left-hand side menu, click on the Settings button. From the Account Settings tab, scroll down and go to the Language drop-down. Click on the drop-down and select your language you'd like to change to. After you are done selecting the language, click on Save Settings at the top right and you'll be able to change your language on ActiveCampaign. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.